Hi guys and good morning. Welcome back to my channel Youthful Muskan. And today I'm going for a shoot, that is a makeup shoot for a salon. So this is my first vlog and I thought कि मैं आपको सब दिखाऊं कि मेरा मेकअप कैसे होता है और मैं शूट कैसे करती हूँ, the procedure and all the stuff and the struggle and the behind scenes and all that stuff. So I hope you guys will like it. This is my first vlog and I really want you guys to support me. So yeah, come along with me.
What are you saying? Not the time or the place, baby, it's not right. It's not right, no. Going insane. Got a problem to fix, can we face it tonight? Face it tonight, oh. No way, though. Maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way, though. You never think it through. One more round, I'm not going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight. What are you saying? Not the time or the place, baby, it's not right. It's not right, no. Going insane. Got a problem to fix, can we face it tonight? Face it tonight, oh. No way, though. Maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way, though. You never think it through. One more round, I'm not going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight. No, it's not fair. It's not fair.
Hi guys. So shoot is done, wrapped up and ये हालत हो चुकी है पूरी. मेकअप देख सकते हैं. It was very nice. It's so tiring. और अब हो चुका है फाइनली. तो मैंने सोचा कि एंडिंग कर सकते हैं हम. So Thank you for watching. If you guys liked my vlog, so hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and आपको क्या अच्छा लगा पूरे पार्ट में, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so bye bye.